In this project we are going to display the current server time for the end user. Before moving to this project, first I like to show how we can do this project in the Python. I am going to open my Sublime Text. I have already opened in my system. I am going to create a new file. I am giving my name as the time.py, then the import date time. Actually the date time is present inside the datetime module. So if we want to print the date time, just give the datetime dot now. This is the built-in function, and control V. It is displaying the current time. In my system, current time is the 9:46 and it is the 21:46. It is 24-hour format and it is 7:31. I can show that it is 7 actually now, Friday July 31 2020. You can see here in my system. So it is printing the current time. So how we can do this in the Django? So again I like to move to my command prompt. Inside my command prompt I like to create one project. First I like to do in my desktop. I like to change my directory to the desktop. In the desktop, Django admin start project. Project name I like to give as a second project, project 2, and change directory to the project 2. And I like to create also the one app inside my project 2. I like to give my app name as the time. Yeah, it's created. Now I like to run my server. It is running fine. Now I like to open my folder project which I have created inside the desktop. Name happened to be the project 2. Inside the project 2 I have created the one application with the name current time and the project happened to be the project 2. I like to open first the setting.py. Inside of setting.py, inside the install app, I like to configure my application name happened to be current time. Exact name should be what you have given as the application name. CURREN I have given current only, current time. I have not given the current time, so that is my fault. So I have given the same name, current time. Now move to the urls.py. We have to attach this view to the url.py. Before going to the URL, I like to do the views function. So I like to display the current time, define time. I like to give it as a name as a time. You can give anything as your choice. Request, and same like how we have given the how we have done in the Python. So that the time current time to date time dot date time dot now, it will print the current time. We have to import the module, so import date time and return http response. HTTP response actually it will display for the end user in the browser. So again I have to import the HTTP response. It is present in the HTTP module. So from Django.http import HTTP response. So I like to do little bit modification a current time in the let's uh, print the current time in the marquee tag. I hope that you have already know the marquee tag and the inside the format. I like to give a marquee tag, actually is MARQUE marquee tag. Inside the marquee tag, I like to give as a current time. See the server is running fine, and inside the browser run. Oh, we are seeing the install work successfully, congratulations, but we have not linked our views to the URLs. So let's go to the URL. Inside the URL, current time, from current time import, from current time importing we are views. Give the path. Inside of path route I will like to give the empty. In the route I will explain you later upcoming. So views dot same name what you have given as a function name. We have given the time. We have given the time name as a function. time. Now let's see the server. It is running tool. Now again go to the browser and run. It is showing the current time happened to be 2020 7:31 and it is 21:53. In my system current time is also 21:53. You can see this now 9:54. It is showing in the 24-hour format. My system is the actually 12-hour format. Now let's move to the some CSS inside the marquee tag, so it will look cool. So I'm inside my view. I like to apply the some style inside the marquee tag. Style is equal to text color. Let's give a color to the text. Color happen to be red, and font size 45 pixel, and run. It is not showing any kind of error, so I'm opening my browser and refreshing it. Now see, the text is actually the 45 pixel and the color happen to be the red. It is actually very cool compared to the last, but it is not a good approach to implementing the HTML inside the Python, and implementing even the CSS inside the same HTML, so it is creating some conflict to the user. So we have a different approach in our Django, different folder we have to create for the HTML CSS, like as the for HTML template and the for CSS statics. Upcoming video I'll like to share the template and the statics concept, so please watch